Hello, mabuhay guys! This is Unbox with Chad and I'm here to do a quick review of Super 7's Reaction Green Ranger. Sa box pa lang guys, panalo na. Very nostalgic with bright colors and at the back you'll see the rest of the wave. Sobrang ganda ng artwork. Out of the box, kasama dito yung Dragon Dagger at Sword of Darkness. Mind you, maliit lang yung toy and accessories pero pulido yung detail. Ang ganda ng pagka-gold ng Dragon Shield at Morpher. It only has 5 points of articulation so the arms can move forward and back as well as the feet. The head can rotate as well. Siyempre, para mas masulit yung laruan, Tommy can dual wield the dagger and the sword. Napaka-astig. For size comparison, here he is with Funko Pop Red Zeo Ranger, with McFarlane Keaton Batman, and Masterpiece Nemesis Prime. Ang ganda ng figure na ito. If you have limited space for your collection, saktong-sakto. Mabibili siya sa mga online shops at kung makukuha ng less than 1,000, mas sulit. So for me, itong Green Ranger reaction figure ay talaga namang ayos!